Sam, you got some good pictures that I could get off of you from that cake?
This is about 2 turkey drums that I simmered on low for about an hour. This is 1 stick of butter and 1 cup of vegetable oil. My pot over a low heat and constantly stirring. You can take it off at this when it gets to about this color. This is the color of about a little darker than peanut butter, but I like mine around this color, and it took me about 45 minutes. Now you don't have to use all these colors of bell peppers. I just did because it's what I had on hand. And I used 1 red, yellow, orange, and I used 4 stalks of celery, and I used 1 large onion. And I also cut up 2 smoked turkey sausages. And you're just gonna add that to your roux. Add it all in together at once. And you're gonna stir that with your roux. I'm gonna say I did mine for about 5 minutes or until the vegetables start to cook down and get translucent. And then you wanna add I added about 2 tablespoons of garlic to mine in the center on the hot part of your skillet so you can actually cook it into it. And you wanna stir that in. And see, this is after about 5 minutes of me cooking the roux and the garlic with the vegetables. And you want to keep on cooking it until your vegetables and your sausage starts to release the juices. Right here, I am adding 2 cans of black-eyed peas. You don't have to add the black-eyed peas, but I like it in my collard green / gumbo stew, whatever, or soup, whatever you want to call it. This is optional. I'm just doing it because I want the extra protein, and I actually like black-eyed peas. Right here, this is about 4 cups of collard greens that I cooked earlier, and this just got some smoked turkey in it. I didn't add any salt to it whatsoever. And there's the roux with the black-eyed pea, the 2 cans of black-eyed peas. And now we're gonna add our collard greens to it. And then I'm gonna mix that in, but I'm also gonna add some water to the container, probably about 1 cup to add to it so that we can get all of our greens from the container. And also, I still have yet to add any salt because I've added some smoked turkey to it, and the turkey sauce just has salt. So I'm just waiting to see what it's gonna taste like with the salt from the smoked sausage and the smoked turkey. Here I'm adding about 1.5 cups of water to my container, and now I'm gonna add it to the pot. And right here's my smoked turkey that I boiled for about an hour, and this is about 3 cups of liquid that came along with it. You're gonna add that straight in to the pot with everything else and stir that in, bones and all. Lots of flavor comes from the bones. Right here we have everything mixed in. We're going to keep it on a low simmer, the medium low, for about 30-45 minutes. And there you have it, your collard green stew or gumbo or whatever you want to call it. I added some crab legs and some shrimp to mine. You don't have to.
I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section if you liked the video and what else you'd like to see from me in the future.